Imagine driving your Tesla when suddenly, the steering wheel becomes almost impossible to turn. This terrifying experience, known as power steering loss, is a rare but serious issue. Without power steering, turning the wheel takes immense effort. This makes maneuvering at low speeds or during parking extremely difficult and dangerous at higher speeds. If your Tesla loses power steering, stay calm. Remember, you still have some control. The following sections will explain why this happens and what to do. Several culprits can cause your Tesla to lose power steering, ranging from simple issues to more complex ones. Let's explore some of the most common reasons why this might happen. Corrosion bolts in the steering column can corrode over time, affecting the power steering system. This is more common in areas with harsh weather conditions, such as places with heavy snowfall or salty air. Regular maintenance can help prevent this issue. Software glitches. Like any computer-dependent system, Tesla's software can experience occasional errors potentially affecting power steering. These glitches can often be resolved with a simple software update or a system reboot. Faulty parts components like the electric power steering rack or sensors can malfunction, leading to power steering loss. Regular inspections by a qualified technician can help identify and replace faulty parts before they cause major issues. Low 12-volt battery. Your Tesla uses a 12-volt battery for auxiliary functions, including the power steering system. A low or faulty 12-volt battery can disrupt its operation. Ensuring your battery is in good condition is crucial for the overall performance of your vehicle. Understanding these potential causes is the first step towards addressing the problem effectively. Always consult your car manual and seek professional help if you're unsure about the issue. Regular maintenance and timely updates can go a long way in keeping your Tesla's power steering in optimal condition. Experiencing power steering loss while driving is frightening, but knowing how to react can prevent accidents. Stay calm and focused. It's crucial to keep your composure and not let panic take over. Panicking will only worsen the situation. Remember, you can still steer the car, but it will require more force. Reduce speed carefully. Gradually slow down to maintain control. Ease off the accelerator and gently apply the brakes to slow down. Avoid sudden maneuvers. Sudden movements can make the situation more dangerous. Find a safe place to stop. Look for a location where you can safely pull over without obstructing traffic. Carefully steer your Tesla to the side of the road or a safe stopping area. Turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Once safely stopped, contact Tesla service immediately. They are equipped to diagnose and fix the problem. Provide them with as much information as possible about the issue. Following these steps ensures your safety and allows Tesla to address the power steering issue quickly. Regular maintenance can also help prevent such issues. Tesla offers several solutions to address power steering loss, aiming for a permanent fix. First up, software updates. Tesla regularly releases software updates that can address bugs affecting power steering. These updates are designed to improve the overall performance and reliability of your vehicle. So, make sure your car's software is up to date. Regular updates can prevent many issues before they even start. Next, component replacement. If faulty parts are the culprit, Tesla will replace them under warranty. This ensures that any defective components are swiftly dealt with. This could involve the power steering rack, sensors, or other components. Each part is crucial for the smooth operation of your vehicle. In some cases, Tesla has issued recalls for specific models known to have power steering issues. These recalls are part of Tesla's commitment to safety and quality. They will notify owners and provide free repairs. This proactive approach helps to maintain customer trust and vehicle reliability. And let's not forget about the 12-volt battery maintenance. This small but vital component plays a big role in your car's electrical system. Regularly inspect your 12-volt battery for signs of damage or low charge. A healthy battery ensures that all electronic systems, including power steering, function properly. Replace it if necessary to prevent power steering problems. Keeping your battery in good condition is a simple yet effective way to avoid potential issues. By addressing the root cause and providing necessary repairs, Tesla strives to ensure your safety and peace of mind. Regular maintenance and timely updates are key to a smooth driving experience. Tesla is committed to safety, but you play a crucial role too. First, regularly check for recalls. Stay informed about any recalls issued for your Tesla model and get them addressed promptly. Next, schedule routine inspections. Regular maintenance at Tesla service centers can catch potential issues early, including those related to power steering. If you experience any steering problems, even minor ones, report them to Tesla service right away. And lastly, stay informed. Keep yourself updated on Tesla's software updates and any information they share about your car's safety and maintenance. By being proactive and partnering with Tesla, you contribute to a safer driving experience for